Best-selling octopus tapas, it is Pulpo alla Gallega, or Galician octopus today. Delicious! Please join me at my shabby provincial kitchen because we'll be preparing this from scratch, from the horrors of cleaning, softening, and the eventual plating.
Hello, warm welcome. Possibly the most horrifying video on YouTube. Now that I'm in my hometown where this delicacy is abundant, I'm going to share how to tenderize this. And later, on the later part of the video, how to prepare this.
Pulpo alla Gallega.
Simple Spanish delicacy. But first, let's clean this. Let's prepare this before tenderizing. Join me at the dirty kitchen. Okay, let's clean this animal. First is to get rid of its innards and the eyes. Let's have a closer look. What I'm going to do is to invert this. Look, this is the head, the eyes. What I'm going to do is to invert the head, exposing the innards. Look, we don't like this included in the dish. So just invert. Invert. Horror movie. The skater breads. Look, this is really tough. Even preparing it can be tough. Strong muscles. The anatomy of a mollusk. The innards we still have. And then the eyes, we remove the eyes. Some water. Look, it's still inverted. Fortunately, you can buy this in most stores cleaned, but we're showing you how to remove the eyes and the innards. This is, I think, oh yeah, that's the ugliest part. That's the stomach. What else do we need to remove? The eyes. Let's reverse it and show it. Show the beauty. That's the octopus with all its innards removed from the head. Now the eyes. Let's just push the eyes towards the outside. With it inverted. Oh yeah. Okay. Where are the eyes? Yeah. This is the eye. One of the eyes. I'll just squish it out. Yeah. Sorry. I think the camera has been hit. Okay. Squeeze out the other one. This one. Okay. Next, we'll just clean the tentacles like this. Remove as much slime as possible. In some cases, you would even find sand trapped in the tentacles. This is relatively clean. Just this line. One thing that needs to remove is the mouth. Really, this one. I forgot to mention, this has to be removed. The teeth. The eyes, you can leave that, but the teeth, it has to be removed. I need a knife. There's no way of just pushing it down. This we need to remove. This is the mouth. Sharp teeth. Yeah, look, that is it. Look, these are the teeth. More.
Klaar.
Yeah. Got it. This is the rest of the mouth, and this looks like it's esophagus. That's the rest of the mouth and the teeth.
Even zacht, want het is niet duidelijk. Ja,
Yeah, it's not clear. We can start preparing. I mean, we can start softening it. This is a task. This is an operation that my mother mastered. And then get the chance as a child to help in this. I mean, in the operation. But this is acceptable. Now, to the stove. One last sulfate with the octopus before it loses its shape. Okay. First, this procedure, some call it in the locos kinigtot because we have to scare or frighten the octopus so that it becomes softer. I have proven this to be successful in Europe from octopus supplied from the Mediterranean. I don't know if this species or this sort of octopus here in the tropics responds to the treatment or the procedure. I call it 1, 2, 3 procedure. First, the first step, we will immerse this or dip it in boiling water for just 1 second. Okay, come closer. In boiling water, now for 1 second. Just enough to scare it. Look at the result. It begins to curl. Its muscles fight back. Now let it cool down. Look. To scare it. If you are curious, I'm not shooting for the sake of shooting. I'm cooking, really. And these are what I've cooked already. I just want to show you crabs and shrimps here. Let's just wait until this reboils. We'll repeat the procedure. Now, it's boiling hard now. Ideally, for best results, we need a bigger casserole than that. But we don't have anything bigger. So, yeah, we will resume on the second dip for 2 seconds. Closer, look. Yeah. One, two. Look, it begins to curse. Look, even the skin has been broken. Back. Did I say minutes or second? It's not about numbers, it's approximation. I just realized I should have been saying seconds instead of minutes. But we have small volume of water, so it should take longer, slightly longer. Look at the power of briskly boiling water. There, for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Look. And back. Let's have it cool. Let's wait until this boils and then put it now for the softening proper. I'll boil it for around 20 to 30 minutes in low flame or low medium. And the last step in the procedure, boil it for 20 to 30 minutes. An option, if you want this to have some flavor, add your choice of spices. Onion, not onion, yeah, onion is possible. Pepper and salt and did I say bay leaves? Bay leaves. Laurel, I don't have them, so just salt. Just salt.
And after boiling, just allow it to cool in the water. After that, it would be ready for further preparation. I'd like to see you on the video on the making, preparation of Pulpo alla Gallego. That's part 2. See you there.